We moved to this property late in 2015 and started Tree Folk Farm. We've had all of our 3 children while living in this house. It's all they've ever known, but it's time to move. We're moving to the country. Well, who would have known wearing pants in February was a mistake, but it was. It's 80 degrees today. This brick shed is getting emptied, and I'm over about halfway done now, so hey, a lot of nice stuff in here. A lot of nice things. My beloved belongings. But in all seriousness, I've got to get this moved out. In my farming journey, I gathered a tremendous amount of things. Everything in here I used before. Some of this stuff is Andrea's, but it's all got to go in the trailer now, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. There's still a handful of stuff to do. I've got to clean and replace the gutter guards. Got a little bit of stuff. I'll probably end up putting it in this other cargo trailer. I'm gonna drag my cargo camper conversion back to Arkansas. Tracy, Grandpa's gonna take this trailer there, and that should be the last of our belongings. It's been a long time coming. It's like each time has been climbing a mountain. You don't see how you're gonna get to the top, but eventually you reach the summit. I'm almost there. I also need to pull our elephant garlic. I'm gonna go put a couple things on the list. The sun finally came out today. It's been cloudy for the past 2 days, so I think I'm gonna finish mowing the yard. Feels good, it warmed right up too. Praise the Lord. This was our sterilizer whenever we were doing our mushroom operation. Had a timer, a nice system set up, and whenever I sold it, I just took it out and I never replaced it. So I'm about to replace it. Nice little 30 amp, 240 volt. Let's get going on it. I've got the breaker off. Multiplier. It's nice when your tools are right there. Today should be the last day. Should just be a half day today. I'm waiting on the trash to get picked up. It should be picked up sometime this morning. I've still got to load the kayak and the rest of the little stuff that I've been using in the house, which is not that much. Yeah, there's still a little bit more to load, but it's mostly done. Okay, good enough. Positives in the ground. don't have the right breaker. I got the square D, but it was not that type HOM. The bad part is, I think I have the right breaker, but it's in my electrical bin, deep inside the cargo trailer. Should I go buy another one? Yeah, it like locks in the back. I'll be back. Now I got the right type. I'm gonna throw it in right there. Let's see, should I use the red wire? I think I'll use the red wire, and I will go get the cap for this, and I'll put a cap on that so nobody freaks out. This was a 240 volt connection to our walk-in cooler, but I sold the walk-in cooler, and it's just been bare wire out there for a while. And our realtor said I should probably go ahead and fix this up. Come on, baby, get in there. So the power, it's just gonna be red. It's going right there. I'm gonna turn it off. Install it. Okay. Now, I know the neutral is already neutral and the ground is already over here. So this portion is done. Go in there. Like so. And that has to slide back in there like so. That and it almost covers. Oh yeah. So screw out. All right. Mark that later. All right. What is this GFI? This is a reused GFI. Touch it. Make sure it's not hot. Pretty thick wire for a 20 amp circuit. Use the red, right? You guys remember? Probably should have kept the cover off. And this casing is not coming off super easy, which I guess is good. Overall, okay, so this wasn't closing because when it shuts right there, that screw is hitting this frame. So this, I would not buy this type right here because I had to carve this out for it to work. This box right here, it's like, this stuff is not meant to like work together. It's retarded. It's on, it's fully shut. Try one more time. Good. Now I just have to sweep out these buildings, do a little cleanup in here. Okay, this may be the last time I get to see my light set up. Super nice. All the plant starts. You start all the plants you want into this. And that's at half power right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take all the belongings out of here. I need to get that hose, and this room will be 100%. Good enough.